Stephen Gengaro is a senior analyst at Jefferies and one of the most accurate analysts on Halliburton. Welcome, Stephen.
Hello, how are you?
Halliburton hasn't always had the best image with the general public. Is that improving?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, the company is in an extremely good position, both in the U.S. and also in the international markets. And I think the general public's perception of the company, from an investor base is significantly better than it was several years ago. And I think, from a public perspective, I think a lot of that was politics.
What was your take of the conference calls and their earnings results?
Well, I think the results were very strong. Last week, we actually had a piece out suggesting the quarter would be very good. We're a little worried that there was too much built into the stock. You had a lot of hedge fund money who was long the stock into the quarter and short some other names. I think what you're seeing today is an unwinding of that trade, as the quarter was very good, maybe not quite as good as some had hoped.
Do you have a price target on this stock?
Yeah, our price target is $54. It is our favorite large cap stock at this point.
And where do you see them developing their business going forward? It looks like they're doing pretty well in North America, not doing as well overseas.
Yeah, I think the mix of the results of the quarter was very much in line with expectations. Very strong North America, about flat international performance versus the second quarter. If you could point to one thing which was maybe slightly incrementally negative off the call, I think that pace of international growth may have been talked down a little bit versus expectations, but we do see North America remaining very strong. We think there's still some upside in margins, and I think as you move into 2011, you're going to get activity and then margin improvement in the international markets as well.
All right, so you think today's stock trading is just a blip for them? This is just traders doing a short-term trade, rolling through this, but long-term the outlook is good.
Oh, absolutely. If we're long-term investors today, we view this as a very good opportunity to buy the shares of Halliburton, with some technical weakness in the stock today.
All right, Stephen Gengaro, thank you very much